Shooters and reloaders, it's Fortune Cookie 45LC coming to the hot lead zone, and we got a chance to go out to the range today and shoot our homemade Sabot slugs. These are the ones on the right hand side here. They're loaded with 34.7 grains of long shot powder, so this is a full load. And what we have in there is a 525 Lyman slug and 30 grains of Dynaflex, which is put around the waist portion of the Sabot slug and also into the hollow base. So the idea is for this kind of elastomeric caulking compound to make some kind of a Sabot covering in there and give us a little more consistency going down the barrel. So how well do these shoot? Well, we're comparing them to the same slug, the 525 Lyman Pellet Slug, without any kind of Sabot in there. They're just put into the 12S3 Federal shot cup. But these are loaded with 20.5 grains of promo powder. So they're not as powerful. These are around 1300 feet per second, 1250. And then these are full loadings, should be around 1500 feet per second, maybe 1475. We'll chronograph these if they're good, accurate loads. So we went to the range today and tested these. Not anywhere as busy as it was on Sunday. Only one station out of every 8 are being used today. This is what we got. At 50 yards, we're holding right here with our Mossberg scoped slug gun. Point of aim is right there, and we got 3 shots like this from sandbags. Well, I happen to know that this load shoots somewhere around 4 to 5 inches at 50 yards. This is a 3.5 inch group, which is pretty good. But again, if I shoot more of these, I got a sneaking feeling we'll get the average to be around 4 to 5 inches for this load. However, that gives us a good baseline. So what did our homemade Sabot slugs do? Well, 3 rounds at 50 yards gave us a 6-inch group. It's actually like 6.25 inches. That's not real good. But again, if you look at it, it's probably the same size group as our promo load. It's just that today the promo load shot a nice tighter group. But again, the promo loads usually shoot like this also. So there's no advantage to doing a homemade Sabot. However, I didn't expect to get earth-shaking accuracy with this first try. In fact, I'm thinking that this Dynaflex there is still a little bit too soft. It needs to be a little harder material, so I'm on the search for something that's a little harder to give us a better consistency of a Sabot in there. So this is only a first try. We'll do some more as soon as I locate different materials. Well, you might ask why I didn't shoot more groups today. Well, the answer is that the benches at the range plus the sandbags didn't quite fit me properly, so that I couldn't shoot the slug loads the way I wanted to, and the recoil was very punishing. Even these loads here, the 20.5 grains of promo, normally reduced load is easy, you can shoot it all day, this kind of thing. But from those sandbags, from those benches, this was very punishing load. Don't remember it being that punishing. And then these, with the 34.7 grains of long shot powder, is a full load, probably around 1475 to 1500 feet per second. These were recoil enough to loosen the fillings in the back teeth. So I didn't feel like having those loosened up, so I kind of stopped shooting after just a few rounds of these. Suffice to say, the conclusion is the Dynaflex is not hard enough to give us enough consistency of a Sabot to allow us to get better accuracy than no Sabot. So the search goes on. Bye for now.